Welcome back everybody to my channel. Thank you so much to everybody who has already subscribed, and make sure that you put your notifications on so that you get notified, because you're not going to want to miss any of my next videos coming up, because I've got a surprise for you guys. I'm coming out with a, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. I'm coming out with a series. I'm so excited. I figured, most people probably will need a series because a lot of you, they watch the videos, but I feel like some people kind of want starter videos or need help with getting started with working out and beginning working out. And a lot of people have requested a couple videos that I'm going to start filming and that you will see in my next series coming up. And like I said, you definitely don't want to miss those. Because they're all going to be kind of connected, and they're all going to kind of lead up to kind of teaching you how to work out and what are the workout basics and what are things that you do. How do I get started? How do I work out? And I have all these people asking me all these questions. Well, how do you get your arms like that? And how did you flatten your belly after your baby? And how do you stay hydrated? And how do you stay motivated? All these questions. So I figured I'll just go ahead and film a series for you guys. So then you can just track the series and kind of watch each video, and they'll kind of all, like I said, they'll all flow together. And that way you guys can get started working out, and then maybe as you keep watching, you'll start working out with me as I do my workouts. But this will make it a lot easier for you to kind of get started. And summer is coming, and a lot of people are wanting their summer bodies, so definitely gonna watch my series to kind of get you started and help you to continue working out so that you can turn that into your lifestyle and get the body that you want. Okay, so for the first part of my series, this is part one, and this part one, I'm just pretty much just explaining what the series is about, which I just did, and also going to be explaining how to stretch, because stretching is very, very, very important. Because if you don't stretch properly, you can injure yourself, and you might not even get results that you're looking for. So you're going to be injured and not getting results, which is a big no. So definitely going to just show you a basic stretching routine to show you how to stretch all your muscles, make sure all your muscles are stretched and prepped and ready for your workout, and also hydration, which is very, very important for your body. You have to stay hydrated. It also helps hydrate your muscles and help keep them loose so that they're not tight and easy to be pulled while you're doing the workout, and then also leading you to an injury, something that we don't want. I don't want any of you to get injured doing workouts, so that you can keep doing your workouts. I haven't been injured doing my workouts. A lot of my workouts are running. I like to run a lot, but stretching is very, very important, especially if you're running. So don't forget to stretch before and after your workout, but definitely before your workout, and drink lots and lots of water. But lots of water, I mean 8 glasses a day, or you can get one of these bad boys right here, which is pretty much 8 glasses all in one jug, a full jug of it. It's 8 glasses or 2 liters of water, and I drink mine all throughout the day. Now I am still working here. I'm still goals too. I usually end about here at the end of the day, on most days, but there are several days where I finish this whole thing. So this helps me push me, because I can see how much water I need to drink, and it's easy to carry around the house with my 2 kids, and see how much water I have to drink and how much water I need to drink. These are super cheap. You can get one at Walmart, you can get one at Target. They're like $1.99, and they're pretty sturdy. I've had this one for probably a couple of years now, so they're not very expensive, and they're easy to carry and load with you. They go with you wherever you go. And it really helps you kind of get all the water that you need to get. You need to be drinking at least 1 of these a day. I know some people drink 2 of these a day, but I definitely drink 1. This is your daily intake of water that you need to keep your muscles hydrated and everything. So definitely make sure that you're drinking your water and staying hydrated. Protein is great if you do protein shakes. Those are awesome, because that also will help add protein back to your muscles. Those are really great to have after a workout to help replenish muscles and get everything, like I said, once again, keeping everything stretched, loose, and making sure that your body's getting back what it needs after it's lost. Because when you work out, you're going to lose water, So you want to stay hydrated to begin with so that you don't get dehydrated. And you're gonna have to put that water back in your body. So those are really important tips. So definitely stretch before and after every workout, drink lots and lots of water, and put the protein back in your body to help replenish muscles and everything afterwards. Once again, thank you everyone who has liked videos, like, comment, subscribe about the series. I hope you're excited about the series. I hope the series will help you. On my Facebook, I did put out a little questionnaire asking people, hey, what do you want to see in the series? I do have my videos kind of lined up, so hopefully these are videos that you want to see, so you definitely want to stay tuned. You definitely want to subscribe if you have not already. And like I said, make sure that your notifications are on, hit the bell so that you get notified when I do post these videos, so that you can see them right away when they come out, so that you can start doing them. And like I said, these are beginner videos. This is all for beginners, and even if you're not a beginner or maybe you've fallen off and you want to get back into working out, these will also help you too, because they're just basic how to do this, how to do that videos. And I'm pretty much titling it, this is my golden series. So this is Alicia's Golden Rules of Fitness series, and it will be starting soon. So, and this is part 1. So if you like this video, then stay tuned, and there will be more like this to come. So stay tuned, and I'll show you how to stretch. Okay, when you first start stretching, you pretty much want to start head to toe. So you want to stretch your neck, and then your arms, and then your middle body, and then your lower body. So we're going to start with our neck, and we're going to do like 5 of these stretches. Make sure that you don't strain, because you don't want to pull anything in your neck, so you just do it gently, a gentle roll from one side to the other. That counts as 1. We're going to stretch our arms. Once again, you don't want to pull too hard. You want to just kind of do a nice gentle hold. You'll feel the stretch right through here in kind of your tricep area. And that's pretty much what you're stretching. You're also stretching kind of your shoulder area as well. And you just kind of hold that for a good 10-15 seconds, and then you'll switch to the other side. And then I like to do this, kind of loosen up your arms after the stretch, and then I switch to the other side. And like I said, you're going to feel it here, and you're going to feel it along here. You're pretty much stretching out your arm. And then I kind of swing my arms afterwards and loosen them up. And kind of roll your shoulders to loosen them up as well. A lot of the strain goes on your neck and your shoulders when you're working out, so you want to make sure that they're really good and loose. We're doing like 5 of those on each side as well, or more, just to loosen everything up. Okay, and then another arm stretch is over your head. So take your hand and you kind of put it behind your head, and you'll grab your elbow with your other hand here. We'll hold that. Once again, you're going to feel it here in your tricep, while the stretching will be here. And this is a major place that kind of gets pulled. If you're working out, you can definitely pull that. It doesn't feel so nice. But here you're feeling it stretch. Okay, kind of shake that out. On to the next. On to the other side. Just switch. And once again, you don't want to pull too hard. You're not trying to strain it. You're just trying to give it a nice stretch. You're just holding it loosely over your head. twist because you want to try to stretch your back and your abdomen. So you're just gonna turn to the left and hold. Okay, I'm gonna turn to the other side and hold it. You're gonna feel the stretch going right down your spine. Once again, you don't want to pull too hard or twist too hard. Just gentle stretch to the side. So we're gonna stretch our legs. You're gonna start on the right side, go down to your right and hold. You're gonna feel the stretch going down the back of your leg, all the way down. To either side, onto your left side, and hold. Once again, you're going to feel the stretch going down your leg. You're holding for about 20 seconds. Right? You're going to go into the both sides down. You're going to go hold both of our ankles here, down to your toes. You're gonna feel it going down both your legs at this point. Okay, now we're gonna do some floor stretches. We're gonna pretty much do what we were doing standing up, but we're gonna now do it on the floor. Reach down, touch our toes. Spread our legs and reach to the right. Okay, you're gonna reach to the left now. Reach, touch both of our toes. So, this. Alright, what we call butterflies. We're going to pull our feet in together. Hold them like this. Stretch. You don't want to do like this. You want to just hold them straight. Hold your feet straight. Hold your neck steady. Have good posture and hold for about 20 seconds or so. Now we're going to hold one of our legs bent. We're going to put the other one up like this. Another angle, it looks like this. Okay, I'm just going to hold that. Now, I'm gonna feel the stretch right here, kind of coming up this side of your leg from the back side of this leg that's bent. You're gonna feel the stretch there. And that pretty much concludes my stretch routine, and this is what I use each time I stretch. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helps you with your stretch. And if you want to know how I make my protein shake, just leave a thumbs up or a comment below, and I'll be happy to let you know and show you a video, maybe even include in the series of how to make a protein shake and how I make mine, what I put all the ingredients that I put in it. Because I put a lot of good stuff in mine. So I hope you have a great day and happy stretching.